Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss more on epoxides. These are related to alcohols and ethers. They are a special kind of compounds that have a cyclic system, and they are three-member ring, and they are very reactive because of that ring strength. So in this video I'll be solving problems that are very relevant to almost all of the reactions that an epoxide would undergo. So let's begin with some of the reagents here are listed, and you have ethylene oxide. This is the simplest epoxide you would find, and some reagents are given, and the question is to give what are the products of this epoxide reaction with hydrobromic acid, water sulfuric acid, epoxide in water, acetylide base, hydroxide base, metal sulfide, etc. So basically, once you know these reactions, you'll be able to predict what the products would be of this reaction. For example, if you treat this epoxide with hydrobromic acid, first, the strong acid, remember hydrobromic acid is a very strong acid, that would result in the protonation of the loose base. That means the lone pairs act as base on this case, so they will catch up the proton easily. So I will just show this for the first time just to show you that would get a protonated epoxide. Very reactive now. You have a plus charge on this. Once you have that, this is very unstable, so the Br would start to attack one of the carbons. In this case, the carbons are equivalent, so the Br minus can come and as kind of a SN2 type reaction would attack this. Then the epoxide would open. So the product of this reaction is actually a bromoalcohol. So this is a general scheme for epoxide ring opening. Let's do this. If you open with water and sulfuric acid obviously would protonate it, and you have water around it, so this would form a diol, meaning that you have a diol after ring opening. I'll make sure